Welcome to GAEC Abroad. Looking for a university that offers academic excellence and a vibrant student life? Montfort University in Leicester is the place for you. With over 300 courses, including popular programs like MSc in Cybersecurity and MBA Global, DMU prepares you for the real world. The campus has seen a $136 million investment, ensuring modern facilities and strong industry links for placements. Plus, Leicester is one of the most affordable cities in the UK, rich in culture and history. DMU also offers scholarships for international students, making it easier to pursue your dreams. And with the DMU Works program, you'll gain hands-on experience and career support. Start your journey at DMU and turn your ambitions into reality. For more information, please visit our office at Punjagutta, Hyderabad. Contact 970-0164-927.